In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to cancel your Emergent AI subscription. If you've decided Emergent isn't the right fit anymore, I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few helpful tips so you can cancel with confidence and avoid unexpected charges. First, open your browser and head to the Emergent dashboard at the official app site. This is where all of your projects and billing live. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're using the account that currently has the active subscription. It's a good idea to quickly review any active projects and, if needed, save important assets before moving on, since access can change after cancellation depending on your plan. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner for your profile icon. It might appear as your avatar or initials. Click that icon to reveal a small menu. This menu is your gateway to account level controls. So it's the place to go when you need to update personal details, payment information, or in our case, subscription settings. From that dropdown, choose Account Settings. This takes you to a page dedicated to your profile and billing details. Take a moment here to confirm you're seeing the correct email and plan. Being in the right account prevents canceling the wrong workspace or profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Inside Account Settings, find and click Manage Plan. This section outlines your current plan, renewal date, and price. It's useful to note your next billing cycle so you know whether cancellation will take effect immediately or at the end of the current period. Many services maintain access until the period ends, but details shown here will clarify how it works for you. Next, click Cancel Subscription. You may see a confirmation prompt or a short summary of what changes after cancellation. Read this carefully. If there's a Confirm button, follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. This step ensures you understand whether features will be limited right away or when your paid term finishes. Finally, select a reason for canceling. This quick survey helps the team understand what could be improved, and it can sometimes surface alternatives like switching plans. Choose the option that best matches your situation, then complete the process. You should receive a confirmation notice, and it's wise to keep that for your records. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the correct page, managed your plan, and completed the cancellation. If your needs change later, you can usually come back to the same Manage Plan area to reactivate. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.